So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Parth. So, today we are going to take the review from my friends. So, first of all, I want to know about yourself a little bit. So, what's your name?
My name is Derek.
Derek.
Yes,
And where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
Oh, nice.
My name is Isa. I'm from Ivory Coast.
Oh, very good.
My name is Lightness. I'm from Tanzania.
Oh, great. So, what type of internship you are doing here?
We're doing finance internship. Yes.
Same like him, I'm doing finance
Finance.
internship.
Same.
Oh, you both are doing finance.
Yes.
So, how you are feeling about this company?
The experience has been great so far because we've been learning more of practical things that are used in the real world. So, yes.
For me, I can say it's amazing. Amazing. The teachers, they are amazing, and we are learning like new things every day.
Okay.
In my side, I can say it's my pleasure being here in A2IT for finance because I'm learning new and current things about industrial finance.
Great, very great. So, do mentors help you and tell you every problem you ask?
Yes, they do help us.
Yeah, they are very friendly and close.
A friendly environment is there.
Sure, everything is going good.
Oh, thank you, guys.